Hey folks, Justin the Texas Dirt Nerd here. I was going to go through some collected points that I have here in Pocket 3D. This is Pocket 3D version 15. If you're running Pocket 3D version 15 or above, you'll see real similar menus and setups to what I have here. But I just figured I'd throw the recording on real quick and show you kind of what I'm going to do here. So I've got an area. Go ahead and so here in the bottom right, see I've got this finger selected. I'm going to go ahead and select my crosshair. See that changing? So when I have my finger, I can actually drag around on my screen like this. I can pinch zoom, whatever I want to do. I can do anything like that. If I get my crosshair, that's going to be my selection tool. So first thing I'm going to do is I've got these topo points up here, and these are just collected off the ground. And I want to create a quick surface of this area, so that way I know what my existing ground looks like, my existing ground topo. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and select all those in. I'll slow down a little bit. I'm going to press hold, clear selection. So we'll do this again. So I've got my crosshair selected. I'm going to start in one corner and make a big box around all of the points that I want to select. There they are. I'm going to press and hold calcs, and I'm going to go create 10 surface. We'll go next. That is our active surface. And there we go. There's a quick representation of what we have out there. And we do have some long triangles. I'm not going to clean this up, but just understand that we can clean this up, but really this is just a kind of representation of what we have. If you want to look at it in 3D, see here in the very top right, I'm going to go ahead and hit this arrow, and that'll let me arrow over to different views, and I can actually go ahead and look at this surface here and see where my highs and lows are, where my water will flow, all that kind of thing. So now we